Whatever your tastes, the Wolf Gourmet blender will craft what you crave. The Wolf Gourmet high-performance blender's 2.4 peak horsepower motor propels the blades to speeds over 210 miles per hour, providing exceptional performance with responsive speed control. But there's no need to hover. Your fresh, healthy ingredients become incredibly smooth and delicious beverages in no time at all. And the LCD display keeps you abreast of the blending progress while you give your attention to more important things. And don't even think of putting this blender away. It's ready for multiple tasks throughout the day. How you prepare them is completely up to you. Use the manual mode's infinitely variable speed control, count-up timer, and pulse button to precisely control blending for your own delightful culinary creations. Or choose one of the 4 convenient program settings, offering one-touch smoothies, crushed ice, purees, or hot soups, and let the blender take charge. The possibilities are endless. It's a versatile virtuoso. Besides blending the obvious choices, like delicious creamy sauces and dips, and crushing ice with aplomb, you can also challenge it with foods that seem unconventional for a blender, including fresh nut butters or fruit sorbets. Use the 2-piece cap assembly's emulsion cup to create perfect salad dressing. Cleanup is simple. Simply run with water and a few drops of dish soap. Unplug and wipe the die-cast and stainless steel base with a damp cloth. The Wolf Gourmet blender offers complete control for consistent results, so you can create with confidence every time.